this is all keef.
Oh, that looks like my oregano back home.
Yeah. So this is from this batch. So I've got the batch name on this 04918, which basically signifies when we harvested it, and then the strain name initials. This is Presidential Kush PK. So this is about a typical amount I'll get out of one strain for one harvest. This is about, this would be about between 80 and 100 grams worth of keef right here. I basically use a tumbler machine. Well, I collect it in a number of different ways. So I have this trim machine that we use for our smaller buds. The stuff that's kind of a little more time consuming to trim, the smaller ones, we basically go through and cherry pick all the biggest, best buds. We hand trim those, and then everything else we run through the machine for like 30 seconds just to give it a quick pass, dry. And then there's bags that hang on the bottom of this, that a set of 3 bags that separate. There's a fan that goes on in here that is pulling down through, and then these arms are spinning around. Let's see, a little better here.
So it spins around.
So these silicone fingers spin around. The buds are all in here, tumbling. There's a fan underneath this grate pulling down, so it kind of pulls the leaves through, and then there's a blade right underneath here that chops the leaves off, and it sucks everything down through here and collects it in these bags. A set of 3 bags that have different size holes, different size mesh. So basically you got this thick big hole one up top that catches all the sticks and seeds or anything that might come through, and then these other 2 bags collect the leaf material, the trim, and then the keef in the bottom bag. So that kind of helps separate the trim from the keef. And then we also use these trim bins